Hello everyone. Today, let's dive into the Advanced Mitochondrial Formula, a supplement from Advanced Bionutritionals that promises to boost your energy levels and overall vitality. This supplement is designed to optimize the function of your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells. Over time, mitochondrial efficiency can decline, which affects your energy and overall health. The Advanced Mitochondrial Formula aims to reverse this process by supplying essential nutrients that support cellular energy production while enhancing mitochondrial function. This supplement may help you boost energy levels, reduce feelings of fatigue, and increase your daily activity and endurance. Improve mental clarity, support cognitive functions, leading to better focus and concentration. Promote overall health, contribute to your physical and mental well-being, reinforcing your vitality. This supplement is ideal for adults who frequently experience tiredness or low energy, wish to enhance their physical and mental performance, are looking for nutritional support to promote healthy aging. The Advanced Mitochondrial Formula is not recommended for individuals allergic to any of the ingredients in the formula, pregnant or breastfeeding women, or those with specific health conditions. Consult a healthcare professional before using to ensure you receive an authentic product with guaranteed quality. It's essential to purchase the Advanced Mitochondrial Formula only from the official Advanced Bionutritionals website. This precaution helps you avoid counterfeit or dubious products. If you're ready to revitalize your energy and improve your cellular health, the Advanced Mitochondrial Formula might be just what you need. Don't wait. Head over to the official Advanced Bionutritionals website now and secure your supplement. The link is in the description below. Remember, taking care of your mitochondria is an investment in your long-term health and well-being. See you in the next video.